and welcome to my video. Today we're going to be doing this date night look. It's some pinks, some burgundies, and a little bit of a rose gold shimmer on the lid. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching.
Our first step is to moisturize with Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. Oh yeah. We're going to rub it all over our face until we are silky smooth. Yeah. Step 2 will be priming our face with Maybelline Master Prime. We will be applying this directly to our T-zone area and then blending it out towards the rest of the face. This is my first time using this primer, so fingers crossed. Also, if you would like to see a first impression or wear test of this primer, let me know in the comments. Step 3, moving on to the eyes, we'll be using Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream to prime and conceal our eyelids. Next, we'll be using the Nudes palette by LA Girl, and with a blending brush, we're going to be picking up the second shade in the palette for our transition color, and we'll be applying this to our crease. This palette has beautiful shades, and it's a definite dupe for the Urban Decay 3 palette, so check it out. Next, we'll be taking Revolution's Forever Flawless palette, which, by the way, is amazing! We're going to take this coral shade called Lavish and apply that to our crease with the same fluffy brush used for the transition color. Next, we'll be using a smaller blending brush to pick up the color Affluent in the Forever Flawless palette, which is a berry red color. And we're going to be applying this to the outer corners of the eyes and blending it softly towards the center to help deepen the crease. Next, we'll be using the Morphe 350 or 350. I never know which one it is, really. And we're going to take this first color in the palette called Upfront, and we're going to apply this to the lid to create a soft cut crease. Now we're going to be taking this metallic pink shade called Pop from the Morphe palette, and we're going to lay that on top of the previous shade. These two shades together create a beautiful opaque glittery look. Let's give the eyes a break for a little bit as we move on to the face. We're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 130. We're going to be applying this to our face and necks and blending it out using a beauty blender. And please, ladies, oh, and gentlemen, don't forget to add it to your neck or even the ears, because I know it's weird, but we always notice. Like always. It's a blessing and a curse. Now for step, what step are we on now? No, I don't know. Anyways, we're going to conceal today with e.l.f.'s Full Coverage 16-Hour Camo Concealer. What a mouthful. This is in the shade Light Beige. This is also a first time use for me, so we'll see how this concealer holds up. 16 hours is a long time, but I accept the challenge! Next, we're going to be setting that concealer with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light. Next, we'll be bronzing up the face with Revolution's Mega Bronzer in the shade Warm, and we're going to be applying this to underneath our cheekbones, on the temples of our forehead, and along the jawline. Next, we're going to take this flat buffer brush and pick up some bronzer on the edge, and we're going to contour the nose a bit and then blend it out. Now it's time to bake! With the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, we're going to clean up our bronzer and the edge of our eyeshadows just a bit. While my face is in the oven, we're going to fill in our brows using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Make sure not to overbake, so wait for that ding on that timer, y'all.
Several bad puns later.
Then we're going to coat our lashes with L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in Carbon Black. And now we're going to take the shade Affluent from the Forever Flawless palette and blend that out under our lower lash line. Now we're going to wipe away all the baking powder and blend it all together. Now we're going to add some blush using the Michelle Phan's Party Life palette. And in the lower right quad called Out on the Town, we're going to take the shade Sassy Chic and apply this to the apple of our cheeks.
Bruh.
Let's try that again. Now we're going to tight line our upper waterline with Avon Glimmer Sticks in Blackest Black. And also line our lower waterline with Wynie Paris in white. Now using Maybelline's Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, we're going to make our wing liner magically appear. Now it's time for the lips. We're going to be lining our lips first with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral. My only tip with going in with a dark lip is that you remember to always line your lips. This way you'll have a better transition of putting on the color, but also taking it off at the end of the day. This way it won't stain your lips. Now we're going to apply AOA Studios Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sugar. Then we're going to create an ombre effect by using Santee Matte Liquid Lipsticks in the shade 02. And we're going to add that to the center and blend it together. We're also going to be adding some gloss on top with the Chanel Rouge Cocoa Gloss in the shade Subtle. Now we're going to finish the look off with this highlighter by Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Flower Crown. This is another first try for me, and I gotta say, I am super impressed with the quality and pigment so far. Last but never least, we're going to set this whole look using Ulta's Dewy Setting Spray and then fluff our hair out.
Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button and also leave me a comment down below to let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys take care, and until next time, I'll see you. Bye!